Stop calling it a folding bike. It doesn't fold, and that mechanical rigidity is exactly why it outperforms nearly every other urban commuter. The Mini Velo is a contradiction. Road bike geometry scaled down to 20-inch wheels, but with a rigid, non-folding frame. By removing the heavy hinges and flex points found on Bromptons or Turns, you get the stiffness of a track bike in a package that still fits in a studio apartment elevator. The physics of urban riding favor smaller wheels due to moment of inertia. Because the mass is concentrated closer to the hub, a 451 wheel spins up to speed significantly faster than a 700c wheel. This makes stop-and-go city traffic far less energy-intensive. For 2026, the Velo Orange Neutrino remains the gold standard for custom builds. It supports modern standards like through axles and disc brakes, allowing you to run hydraulic group sets that would be impossible on most folding frames due to cable routing limitations. When we compare the three main categories, the trade-off becomes clear. Road bikes win on top speed momentum. Folding bikes win on storage, but the Mini Velo offers the highest stiffness-to-weight ratio, providing the responsive handling of a crit bike without the footprint. This category, popularized by Japanese brands like Tyrrell and Bruno, is about N+1 optimization. It allows for an aggressive position, saddle higher than handlebars, which aerodynamics data shows is the single biggest factor in reducing drag, even at lower city speeds. Here is your buying framework. If you need to bring the bike under a desk or on a train daily, buy a folder. If you want a fun, fast, low-maintenance N+1 bike for tight urban environments that feels like a real road bike, build a Mini Velo. Don't compromise performance for space. Get the rigid small wheeler.